Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to see your blocked list on the RedNote app using your iPhone. So if you've blocked someone on RedNote and you want to see who you blocked, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your App Store or your Play Store. You want to search for the RedNote app. Here, you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you want to go ahead and tap on these three lines here at the top left. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on Settings. Here, you want to go ahead and tap on Privacy Settings. Next, you want to scroll down until you see Blocked Users. This will be in Relationship. Go ahead and tap on that. Now here, you'll see all the users who you've blocked on the RedNote app. Now tapping on it will allow you to view that account. However, you won't be able to see their post and they won't be able to see your post. So there you go, guys. That is how to see the blocked list on the RedNote app using your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.